The International Criminal Court's prosecutor is seeking arrest warrants for Israel and Hamas leaders amid the ongoing war. The court's prosecutor, Karim Khan, is seeking an arrest warrant for Netanyahu's Defense Minister Gallant and the three Hamas leaders, namely Yahya Sinwar, Mohammed Deif and Ismail Haniyeh as well. They are accused of war crimes, crimes against humanity in the Gaza Strip and in Israel.
The crimes include starvation of civilians as a method of warfare, willfully causing great suffering, serious injury to body or health or cruel treatment, willful killing or murder, and intentionally directing attacks against a civilian population, as well as crimes against humanity of extermination and or murder, persecution, and allegations of crimes of committing other inhumane acts.
80 years ago, the Jewish people were defenseless against our enemies, but no more. I repeat what I said at the eve of the Holocaust Memorial Day in Jerusalem. As Prime Minister of Israel, I pledge that no pressure and no decision in any international forum will prevent us from striking those who seek to destroy us. We will bring down Hamas's evil rule and will achieve total victory.
While Netanyahu and his Defense Minister Gallant do not face imminent arrest, the ICC Chief Prosecutor's announcement is a symbolic blow that deepens Israel's isolation over the war in Gaza. In recent days, two other members of the Netanyahu War Cabinet, Gallant and Benny Gantz, threatened to resign if Netanyahu does not spell out a clear post-war vision for Gaza. However, Netanyahu received wall-to-wall support as politicians across the spectrum condemned the ICC prosecution's move.
The announcement of the prosecutor of the ICC is beyond outrageous and shows the extent to which the international judicial system is in danger of collapse. Taken in bad faith, this one-sided move represents a unilateral political step that emboldens terrorists around the world and violates all the basic rules of the court according to the principles of international law, complementarity, and other legal norms.
A panel, 3 judges will decide whether to issue the arrest warrants and allow a case to proceed. The judges typically take 2 months to make such decisions. International human rights lawyers like Amal Clooney have served on the 5-member expert panel that advised Khan. She said that the panel had agreed unanimously that there are reasonable grounds to believe that both the Hamas and Israeli leaders had committed war crimes. On the other hand, Hamas has strongly condemned the attempts of the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court to equate the victim with the executioner by issuing arrest warrants against the members of the Palestinian resistance leadership. For more on this, our correspondent Jody Cohen sent us this report from Israel.
Prime Minister Netanyahu has suggested that it's outrageous to compare what he called Hamas monsters with the IDF, which he said is the most moral army in the world. And several prominent military experts have said that Israel has taken more efforts to protect civilians than any other army in history. President Biden also called the ICC Chief Prosecutor's decision outrageous and said it would embolden Hamas. The Biden administration has suggested that Israel acts in accordance with humanitarian law and investigates and deals with any breaches. Now, Israel could raise a challenge before the panel of judges who will now consider the chief prosecutor's request. Prime Minister Netanyahu has said that the ICC's effort to tie Israel's hands will fail and that no international forum would prevent Israel from hitting those who seek Israel's destruction. This is Jody Cohen for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.